So guys, today some my package came today. So it's from Steel Series. So this package. So so let's open it now. So what I brought is so I brought a Steel Series Arctic Blue Arctic 3 Bluetooth. So if you guys know, there's another class of this a wireless one, but this one came from a Bluetooth one. So let's see. And by the way, this is a winner one, but on the Polygon gaming headphones on for Twitch. Whew. And they gave me a bug, Arctic carrying bug. Yes, guy. So let's open it, guys. Let's see what this inside works. Oh. Hmm. So, so this kind of headphones you always see in the esports or something. Everything, every tournament you can see on online they're using Steel Series. So this is what you get inside of the box. Another box. There you go, guys. This is the Steel Series Bluetooth. They come so they so this is the charging cable. So this is the mic connector. How long the mic connector, by the way? Let's see here. So this headphones 24 hours battery life. So if you like not using your your wire, you can do like carrying around and use it for your daily gaming, like you're playing Nintendo Switch or like PS4 or something like that, or mobile phone like I do. so it's probably like I'm doing Bluetooth. And there's one more wire here. So this called purple and the blue ones, and I think that's it, guys. So let's see. So this the mic. This is a really cool thing here. You can bring your mic, everything, and so you can hide it around. And there's a on and off button here. Like if you don't like to talk and like to mute your mic and just game sounds, like here. Your volume, your charging, and you're wired. So let's power on. Okay, let's go into it now. So guys, so like this. So I'm going to try to pair to my phone. This one. So I'm going to try to play some music. It's really comfy, right guys? Oh, I still have the plastic, by the way. It's really comfy into your ears, like cover everything. You have a comfy headphones, like you can bring everywhere, like everywhere. So let's put this guy on volume, high volume. There you go, guys. So if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe guys, and thank you. Peace out.